What should we do now?
It's so dangerous.
Gross!
Help him, it's drowning.
I need help, please. Call the police.
Get it for me.
Anyone please help him.
Help us, we are drowning.
I've got an idea.
There I am. What's going wrong there?
They are drowning and we have to help them.
Help us, we are drowning.
Hey police, we need help. Do it fast.
Hey, we need your help. Come fast.
Okay, I am coming, let's go.
I have to help them alone. Let's try to help them. Hey, you have to cooperate with me. Let's do it.
Okay, done.
It was so satisfying. It's not so difficult, but a little bit dangerous. Now we have to build the bridge there, and we will do it together. We are ready to do it. Are you ready too? Let's build it now. First, put the middle one part. It's perfect. The second one. The last and final one. Let's see how it's looking now. It has 3 parts with one in the water and 2 bridge roads. Put some soil there, please.
Got it, sir.
Now on the other end too.
Sir, as you wish.
Let's take the final look and give your feedback and comments. Please.
It's perfect, so we will subscribe your channel too.
See you soon. Bye.